How's it going, everyone? So today we have a new unboxing of this new item here. It just came out from PRYMAX. It's a solar generator. I'm not really sure why they call it a solar generator. I believe you can hook up a solar panel to charge it, but technically it's just more of a big old power bank. But we'll read the instructions and we'll see what's inside. So this is a brand new product that just came out with PRYMAX. And as you can see, you can charge it with a USB power bank, and like a power bank. It has multiple USB output chargers. It's also temperature controlled, overcurrent protection. It's a lot of built-in safety for this one. So it's a pretty awesome device. So first thing you get is the user manual. Let's see what we have here. Oh, okay, so it actually has a typical power bank. Okay, I was under assumption it was a USB-C charger. And then here's the DC charger for you could charge it, you know, while you're sitting in your car, I guess. And it's a little heavy here. Like that. Okay, and here's another thank you card. One-year warranty. So the reason why I got this is just because here in Houston, you know, sometimes we lose power, especially during hurricane season. So I wanted something to kind of just gives me a little bit of a security blanket for my kids. And then, you know, nowadays they go a lot of camping trips with Girl Scouts and stuff. So I thought this would be kind of a cool, unique thing that they could bring along with them. Ow. Ooh, yeah, watch your fingers. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So here's the front. Has a nice LED side. Here's the metals. Here's the side handle. It's metal, as you can see. Here's a little fan in the back and some of the technical specifications. So this one has a 62500 milliamp battery. More on the side with some sticky gum paste. I'll wipe that off later. But as you can see from the top here, here's the car, 12 volt, AC outlet, output, AC output. So you have two of them. Then here's the USB. This one is 5 volt, 3.1 amps, which is pretty strong. A lot better than those Apple power banks that you get. And this is a Q quick charge. It's USB-C and 3.0. And then here's some other DC 12 volt. So I guess here's the input. You would charge it like that and plug into the wall and charge it. And so this should tell you, oh, wow, look at that. You can hardly see it on the screen, but it's a nice cool green color to show you their battery. And right now we have 99 hours at 2 watts, so basically nothing's on. So let's turn on this, which I would call like kind of like mood lighting. No, it's not on yet. So I might just have to read the instructions on this. I thought it was a little bit straightforward, but 6 is, yeah, on and off key. So let's hit that again. There we go. I said long press. See, so it's kind of like a mood lighting. Maybe I'll stop it on one. No. Hard press. Okay. And just turn it back on. Long press. And that would last me, as you can see, 76 hours. Here, I'll leave this white background here so you can kind of see the colors. So, as I said, this is a 231 watt hours. Has a cool touchscreen here. And then you can also plug in USB stuff to charge. So the specs that they gave you was that you're able to charge a cell phone 40 times. You could charge a laptop about 7 to 8 times. You could run a 32-inch TV for about 5 hours. And then in the ad, you know, they said that you could run the CPAP machine, you know, just in case your power goes out, at least the CPAP machine would still be running, and you're still able to, you know, use that as a breathing apparatus at night. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty color, huh? And you can also run a mini fridge for a little bit over 5 hours. And other small appliances. But they say you can't really run like blow dryers, anything that uses like a lot of wattage. But man, look at this LED. So this model just came out, and this is the first time they ever had one with this nice LCD screen on it. And yeah, I love it. I'm loving it a lot. It just has a wow factor. And so this whole body is aluminum, so it feels really sturdy. It feels really expensive, and it has this nice rubber feet, as you can tell. PRYMAX branding here. Just have to rub all this off in a little bit. It's a little bugging me a little bit here. Okay, I'll leave it alone. So the handle, I wish it had a little rubber right here, and you know, I already caught my finger twice on this. So just, you know, just be careful. But other than that, I mean, you can see this is an awesome device. And just the fact that it has this mood lighting and just the form factor and the build quality. Look at this build quality. And I believe this is a little bit over 6 pounds. So it's not too heavy. I have a smaller, older generation power bank. But this just would blow it out of the water. People would just love to see this. When they see this, they would just come up and start asking you questions for sure. Just look at that. That is nice. Okay. Well, I mean, I'll give it some time and I'll test it out and I'll let you know ahead of time. But you know, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or if you want to see me test this out and try something, just leave a comment and I'll let you know. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Man, that's awesome. So let's see if I keep my finger on this. It turns off the AC. So look at that. So if you just want mood lighting, turn off the AC and this will go up to 89 hours. That's a long time at 1 watt. Oh, I turned that off. Now let's turn off the mood lighting. There you go. Okay. So if you have any other questions, you know, and if you like this and you want to see other similar cool gadgets, just give me a like and give me a comment. Just let me know what you like to see, and I'll try to bring you more stuff like this.